Sir, the Homeopathy Central Council Act 1973 was amended by Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Act 2020 for supersession of the Central Council of Homeopathy and extension of Board of Governors to exercise the powers and perform the function of the Central Council of Homeopathy till 18 May 2021. As per the provision of Section 3A of the said Act, 6 members have been nominated by the Ministry of Ayush as member of the Board of Governors to the Central Council of Homeopathy. Sir, in the meantime, the National Commission for Homeopathy Bill 2020 was passed by Rajya Sabha on 18 March 2020. The bill was further passed in the Lok Sabha on 18 September 2020, was published in the Official Gazette of India as the National Commission for Homeopathy Act 2020 on 21st of September 2020. Sir, as per the provision of the National Commission for Homeopathy Act 2020, the process of constitution of the Commission, Advisory Council and Autonomous Board was under active consideration by the Ministry. Subsequently, the Homeopathy Central Council Act 1973 and the Central Council of Homeopathy shall be superseded. Sir, but as the tenure of the Board of Governors was coming to an end on 17 May 2021 and the Commission could not be constituted, the existing tenure of Board of Governors Central Council of Homeopathy was further extended for another 1 year by the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021 so that the National Commission could be constituted and made functional. Accordingly, the National Commission for Homeopathy was constituted on 5th July 2021 and subsequently the Homeopathy Central Council Act 1973 and the Central Council of Homeopathy were superseded and dissolved respectively. Ministry of Law and Justice advised that a saving clause needs to be incorporated in the National Commission of Homeopathy Act 2020 in order to save the action done, decision made, liability incurred by the Board of Governors constituted as per the provision of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021. Sir, this is the very important bill. Accordingly, note for the Cabinet along with the bill, namely the National Commission for Homeopathy Amendment Bill 2020 was approved by the Cabinet on 4th August 2021. The bill intends to save, this is the most important part, sir, the bill intends to save the action done, decision made, liability incurred by the Board of Governors constituted as per the provision of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021. With this submission, I request through you the August House to consider the bill and pass it. Thank you.